What happened? Where are all these girls now? Driver, there used to be hookup girls around here. I'm not seeing any. Oh, papa. What? Can you wind down? Wind down.
This man!
Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Excuse me.
70 years old man.
Yeah. Sorry. Hookup girls used to be around here. Have you seen any?
Yes, there is one available right now.
Please call for me.
Princess! Princess!
I never tell you, man, you know they sharp my nail like that. Okay, well done.
Hello. Okay, is this really available? Yeah.
No, leave me there, okay?
Please turn around.
The blood of Jesus.
Chai!
Let's move. This is a condemned woman.
Oh, you okay, wait. Pay me 500.
For the entire day?
Yes.
Come on, driver, move this car. This woman is a condemned woman.